Hi, so in this video, I will tell you how to change your profile picture on your Telegram application. So first of all, you need to open your Telegram application. Then you need to click on three dots at the top. Then you just need to click on your profile picture. Then when you come to your profile, you need to click on set profile photo. And after that, you need to click on your photo, whatever you want to add. Like this, I want to add this photo, so I can just select, or I don't want to select any photo. If I want to add this photo, I can just select and click on this photo and write for, so that this photo is already setted. So if I want to again change the photo, I can just change the photo. For example, this, I added this to my profile. This is how you can change your profile photo in Telegram application.